Gising ba sa kantikon sang sa time Meghalaya News 24 channel na rumchakswa anga balsrami isang ma arian dal ni Koburang. Shillong Songjinmao traffic jam ni asel blongen niknikpata ni ko rabainga. We Shillong MLA Mohendra Rapsang Songjinmao Scooty-o angaha. MLA ni nokoni katangian wa traffic jam ko chagrong ha arwan dake wa uninok sambao tunggapa mande baksa Scooty-o ang nagata angaha. Gisik nangat be MLA Songjinmao traffic ni niknikani kemen Assembly chanchir mangaha.
I came by bike. Suddenly I saw one of my friends who was passing through my house. Then I just called him and said, "Hey, Ghosh, you wait, no, drop me in the assembly because of the traffic. Otherwise, I would have not reached in time." No? That is what. It's up to the government to see, because we have been addressing this problem all the time. In every session we've been discussing. Even today they discuss about it, but I don't like to participate since we've been discussing a lot throughout the session. And every session we've been discussing about it. So I hope the government will address this problem in the future.